about it. I've been thinking about all the things you do.
Hey fellow foodies, it's Faye from facefood.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty Mediterranean salad. In my mixing bowl I have some feta cheese, black olives, and cucumber. You can crumble the feta if you'd like, but I decided to cube it. And you can obviously slice the olives and cucumber as you wish. We're going to use a bag of spring mix. Some spring mix, well, most spring mix actually, you will have to go through and pick through the bag. It tends to come with some wilted leaves, so just be sure to watch out for that. Here I have some pickled red onion. I just did a quick pickle because I just didn't do it the day before, but obviously the longer they pickle, the tastier they will be. If you don't like pickled red onion, you can of course just use regular red onion. This is really going to add a nice zest to it, I believe, in my opinion. Alright, and I'm also going to add some roasted red pepper slices. Okay. And now you can use your favorite Greek dressing. You can also make homemade Greek dressing, to each his own, but it's really not necessary to make homemade dressing. It's not going to make too huge of a difference. Just use your favorite brand or your favorite restaurant's dressing. Alright, I'm going to give this a toss. And this salad is actually one that when I was a salad cook at a restaurant, it was actually one of our best selling items off the menu. It's really tasty, and it's not too difficult to make, so that's why I wanted to share it with you guys. So don't be too rough with it, just give it a light toss. And that is our salad. Now I'm going to show you roughly how we plated it up at the restaurant. So at the restaurant they used a roasted red pepper hummus, but I'm kind of a purist when it comes to hummus, so I'm just using the regular kind. And you want to like spread it on the plate so that kind of a lip forms to hold, essentially you want a bed to hold your salad. And then what you do is you just kind of pile it up onto the bed of hummus. And once you're done placing the salad on the plate, you want to put some extra garnish on top. So I put some extra pickled red onion. I put some extra roasted red pepper, just to add some more color. Alright, and then you want to add some pita chips on top. If you don't have access to pita bread, you can just use flour tortillas, and cut them into triangles, fry them up, and then kind of break them up into pieces. That's actually what we did at the restaurant. We used tortilla instead of pita, but like I said, either will work fine. And that is our Mediterranean salad. I hope you guys do give this a try. The full recipe will be on facefood.com. It's not going to be an exact recipe because really you can kind of play around with the quantities for things you'd like. You can also add tomato. You can see I did not add it. I'm not a fan of raw tomato, so I left it out. Anyways, I hope you guys give this a try. Like this video, share it. I would definitely appreciate it. Comment below if you have any comments or questions. And let me just show you how it will look once you actually serve this salad. There's just so many different textures. You have the creaminess of the feta and the hummus, and kind of the tang from the roasted red pepper and the feta itself. It's just a really tasty, good textural salad. and it looks beautiful. So I hope you guys give this a try, and until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.
I've been reading you to figure what you're down for. I wanna figure out to make it come around. No, we should quit the game and settle things right here, right now. I've been thinking about it. I've been thinking about all the things you do. I wanna take you from everything.